the owner of the Daily Mail, Lord Rothermere, who was a great aviation enthusiast, challenged British aircraft manufacturers to design and build a small, high-speed aircraft which could accommodate 2 crew and 6 passengers, with the hope that it would become the world's fastest civilian aeroplane. Frank Barnwell and Roy Fenton of the Bristol Aeroplane Company responded to that challenge with the Type 142. It made its first flight in 1935 and demonstrated a top speed of 307 miles per hour. It quickly became clear that that 8-seat twin-engine aeroplane was faster than any fighter in the Royal Air Force invention.
And so this aircraft now appears in. Production switched in 1939 to the long-nose Blenheim 4. When war was declared, there were more Blenheims in RAF service than any other type.
When the Second World War broke out, the Blenheim Mk1 equipped 2 home-based squadrons and 11 overseas squadrons. Further units were in the process of equipping with the far more advanced Blenheim Mk4. In fact, one of the first Blenheim Mk4s became the first British aircraft to cross over German territory after war was declared. On that occasion, undertaking reconnaissance of German naval.
Had developed that an aeroplane that could outrun anything in the RAF infantry when it first appeared was now so vulnerable. But the Blenheims and their crews fought on nonetheless. It was a Blenheim that carried out the RAF's first U-boat sinking of the war without the assistance of surface vessels. They attacked Germany.
I do think it's too good. What would you like to do on that?
Another Bristol Mercury engine firing up on the Lysander. It starts ready for its display later on.